All right, listen up, phone jockeys out there. We've got to change the way we do our business. Right now, this is the evolution of phone sales. What we're going to talk about is what we have to do to change to live in this arena. Guys, you have to evolve. You have to change. The leads are different. The infomercials are different. The consumer and the client wants more. I'm telling you this because I have seen it for myself. You have to become a professional analyzer, professional problem solver, and you have to help these people. I'm looking and listening to what's been going on. I hear about guys bouncing from floor to floor to floor to floor, not building consistency in what they're trying to accomplish. Mindset there. You have to work hard. All the rest of you phone jockeys out there think I'm crazy. You guys can go fly a kite somewhere because we'll still be around. Can you not just get on the phone and go for the one call, that's all any longer? That's done. Forget about it. Hop on an internet download. Try that stuff. Put in 1,000 dials a week. We'll be the ones that are able to evolve and help people grow and reach their dreams. You don't like that? You don't think I know what I'm talking about? If you want to be successful, if you want to grow this business, if you want to continue to be in this business and make mad money, if you want to help people, because the old crap doesn't work. If you want to make more than $30,000 or $40,000 a year this year, you're going to have to change. I don't know any other business that you can make more money than a doctor than in this room right here, the phone room. It's the results of what you get paid because of doing a job extra special well. Phone jockeys kill it because they invest themselves in the student. I'm telling you straight point blank, you have to evolve, you have to change, or it's not going to happen for you. If you don't know enough about the formula of why we set, why we close, why we do a two-part or even intro, and what that does for the client, why you're helping people, what makes sense to them, we're going to talk about it. I just had to come out here and talk to everybody. Those that are evolving, talk to those that are changing. The one call, that's all, that's out the window. There's not a better business in the world than telesales. That's me talking to you. I love telesales. I love sales, period. I like speaking, I like teaching, I like advising, I like helping people get where they want. And I do a fantastic job. You need to give great content and care about who you're selling, or it's gone. So you want your deals to continue. You guys have to be vested in your product. Do what you need to do. Make it happen every single day. The evolution of phone sales.